Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Facebook account, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to log in. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icon with our small profile picture. Just below the messenger icon, tap on that three line icons, and over here guys, scroll down to the bottom where you can see the logout button available. Just below the also from Meta, tap on that logout button, and the moment you tap on the logout button like this, you'll be signed out of a Facebook account on your phone. And there guys, this is how you log out of your Facebook on your phone. But if you want to remove your account from your phone, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings icon. Tap over there and you can see tap on the account which you want to remove, and you can tap on remove profile in order to permanently remove that account from the device. And with that being said guys, this is how you log out of your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.